Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can go live on the Coverstar app. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the Coverstar app, and then I'm just going to open it up. Okay, now let me just continue to app. Now if you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and create an account. But the way that you would go live is you can see there is a little plus icon in the center there at the bottom, kind of like TikTok. What you would do is you would tap on that, and then you would be able to see a live button. But for me, it actually doesn't show up the live button. That's because I don't have permission yet to actually go live on Coverstar. So to get the required permissions, all you need to do is email this email address. It's verified@coverstar.app, and what you need to do is submit a request for you to go live on the Coverstar app. And the key steps to actually getting the access is to get a verified email, verified@coverstar.app with your Coverstar username, and then create quality content and then check for updates. So always go back to the Play Store, search the Coverstar app, and make sure it's always up to date. Then you can go back into the app and see if you get that feature. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.